Clinton and Paula Jones. Kurt Cobain found at home, gone too soon, rocking out in heaven. OJ's in trouble, Nancy Kerrigan. MLB players on strike, World Trade Center bombing. Tejano singer Selena is shot and killed. Oklahoma City bombing makes everyone still. Chicago heat wave has everyone dying. Yahoo is founded and got stock prices rising. Atlantis spacecraft meets with Mars. Million Man March causes a stir. There's no ban on late-term abortions. Janet Jackson signs a contract of mass proportions. Madeleine Albright working for Congress. New sports in the Olympics making progress. Hello Dolly, Tupac is gone because of some folly. Heaven's Gate is creepy. Hale Bop is sneaky. Empire State shootings, what is Mike Tyson doing? Titanic is booming, the loss of Diana makes the world gloomy. Hate killed Matthew Shepard. Google begins to make the world better. Saddam negotiates with the UN. Monica Lewinsky and Bill Clinton. Teen has a baby at prom. The House drops the impeachment bomb. Columbine tragedy. JFK Jr. dies in plane crash. Clinton's acquitted. Unemployment drops. Panama Canal. U.S. soccer team goes to the Cup. Oil prices rise. George W. Bush becomes president. USS Cole bombed by Al-Qaeda. Vermont legalizes civil unions. Anton becomes senator in New York. AT&T ballpark. 9/11 Dale Earnhardt crash. Withdrawal from anti-ballistic missile. FBI arrested. U.S. invades Afghanistan. Execution of Tim McVeigh. Daniel Pearl kidnapped. Arms agreement. No child left behind. Beltway Anaconda. Appalachian School of Law shooting. Columbia disaster. Staten Island ferry. Saddam Hussein. Mad cow disease. CIA leak. Johnny Cash. We got that H1N1. The king of pop is dead. Binghamton shooting is later. J.C. Lou Duggart is found. They try to raise the rate. Captain Phillips raid. Don't stop. Girls on subs. Bomber bombs Times Square. 2010 the Saints win. SeaWorld employee is killed. BP spill. Haiti quake. Iraq war ends. Occupy Wall Street. Tucson shootings. Bin Laden's dead. Steve Jobs. Anthony Weiner's deceit. Children killed at Sandy Hook. Aurora Theater shooting. Min wage raises in Cali. Trayvon Martin and Sandusky. Facebook goes public in stocks. Gay marriage in Minnesota. Boston Marathon. Ariel Castro is busted. Asiana NHL lockout. Adrian Peterson's son dies.